Hey parents, this is Bhumika from justworksheet.com, your parenting coach. So today's question is very common question and I know most of you can relate today's question. Today's question is from one of the moms. She is a working lady and she has a son who is 8 years old. So I could totally relate with her question because I am also in same position. I am a working mom and my son is 8 years old. So her question is that due to lockdown, due to current circumstances, kids are again not able to go out, and due to which her son feels very sad. He is very upset throughout the day, and she just wants to know how she can help, how she can make her son happy. She also adds that she buy toys for her son, and she have also involved her son in some of the online activities, classes like some chess or Rubik Cube activities. But still her son is not able to feel happy. He is not able to get involved with many things throughout the day. So her simple question is how she can make her son happy. So to start with, I would like to say that every parent try to give best to their kids. Everything is needed, yes. To purchase toys is also needed, and to get involved them in some online activities is also needed. I also do same for my son. But believe me, these things can give only 20% of happiness. These things cannot give 100% happiness. So today I'm going to talk about 2 scientific hacks or tricks, I must say, which will help you and your family to have more than 80% of happiness, which is missing in life because of this current scenario. And these 2 tricks will be helpful throughout their life, whatever is the situation. Believe me, this phase will also pass soon. Things will be normal, but then happiness is needed always, and these 2 hacks which I am talking about today will help you and your family and your son or your children throughout their life. So first hack is very simple, and it says, it is a scientific fact which says that you as a parent should be happy. Happier parents always raise happy children. So you have to find out ways which makes you happy. You have to find out, identify things which actually makes you happy. So you should not blame the situation that because of this situation you are feeling depressed or you are not able to cope up with the situation. Rather, you should try to identify, try to get involved with the people who have positive attitude towards their life. So it will really help them as well as you to be happy, because they will see you happy, they will also try to be happy. And second hack is that you should always sit with your family and laugh. Yes, this is an exercise rather, but there is no time to it. You can spare any time of day. Spend some time with your family, with your kids, with your husband, with your wife. Sit with them, start with some jokes or start watching some comedy movies or some cartoon with them. There is a scientific fact which is associated with this study. It says that neuroscience says that when you laugh or you see somebody laughing, it activates your brain in such a way that you are laughing, and it will develop a happiness factor in your own brain. So once you will start laughing, you will feel that you are happy throughout the day. So it is not necessary that you should you do this exercise in the morning only. You should have some time, like maybe after dinner you can sit, if you can spare time after dinner. This exercise can be done any time of the day, but yes, you should try to get involved, try to do this exercise. These two simple scientific hacks will bring happiness to your life from within. Like, these are not materialistic things. You do not have to spend anything, you do not have to like buy anything from outside. These two scientific facts will give you happiness through your own self. So once you will start doing this, it will help your child also to stay happy, and these two tricks will be helpful to him throughout his life. So utilize this period when you are with your child and use these two tricks. I'm sure it will make difference. Do let me know, like share your comments, your like feedbacks if this has worked for you, because these two tricks have worked for me and we are doing it from long time. So I hope and I wish you all the best.